Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to enable onion skin in Adobe Animate. So what you're going to do is just press a shortcut which is Alt Shift and O, and on the Mac is Option Shift O. So Alt Shift O. As you can see, now we have activated. Here you will see these two circles. So onion skin right over here. You can select it this way also. And you will see also in your timeline that this blue and green above your keyframes shows up. Now you can do that for extend this onion skin, as you can see, like so. It changes, as you can see. Now you can play with this, and you can click and hold the onion skin button to select presets like past frame, only feature frame, anchor, onion skin, and so on. So we have here all frames, anchor, advanced settings, and then here you have you can adjust range, all frames, preview, next, starting opacity, decrease by, you have it here. Then we have anchor markers, show keyframe only, and so on. And yeah, this is pretty much it. This is how you can enable onion skin in Adobe Animate. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.